Welcome to the future. In today's video, we're going to share 5 awesome tech hacks to supercharge your smart home with the power of 5G. Whether you want faster connectivity, smarter devices, or more efficient automation, these tips will have your smart home running smoother than ever. First up, prioritize bandwidth for the devices that matter most. 5G gives you faster internet speeds, but if you've got too many smart gadgets, your bandwidth might get clogged. Use your router's settings to make sure critical devices like security cameras, smart lights, or your thermostat get the fastest connection. Next, turn your 5G connection into the ultimate streaming experience. Whether it's Netflix in 4K or a gaming session in real time, a 5G-powered smart TV delivers buffer-free content. Make sure your TV is connected to the 5G network to maximize resolution without lag. Hack number 3. Use a smart hub powered by 5G to automate all your devices in one place. With faster connectivity, you can easily manage your lights, security, speakers, and more, all in real time, and even when you're away from home. Placement is key. Make sure your 5G router is in the best spot in your home for maximum signal coverage. Keep it centrally located and elevated to eliminate any dead zones and get the most out of your smart home devices without interruptions. Finally, take your home security up a notch. 5G cameras allow for faster footage uploads, real-time notifications, and even facial recognition. With 5G, your smart cameras become even more reliable and can alert you instantly if something's up. Those are our 5 tech hacks to make your 5G-powered smart home more efficient and secure. Hit the subscribe button for more tips on how to upgrade your tech life, and leave a comment if you're already using 5G for your smart home. See you in the next video.